Practical guide to micro-segmentation using Cisco ACI in today's fast-changing digital world. Cybersecurity is a top concern for all organizations. Cloud computing, IoT devices, and cyber threats are rising. So, we need better security. One such measure is micro-segmentation. It's a security technique. Cisco ACI is a powerful networking solution. It helps install micro-segmentation. Cisco ACI simplifies network management and enhances security. It does this with a centralized, automated platform for policy-driven tasks. Understanding micro-segmentation and its importance. Micro-segmentation is the practice of creating isolated segments in a network. It aims to improve security. Micro-segmentation is different from traditional network segmentation, which relies on physical barriers. It uses software to create secure zones within the data center. Micro-segmentation is vital. It limits attackers' lateral movement in a network. Security policies at the workload level can block unauthorized access to critical assets. Introduction to Cisco ACI. Architecture and features. Cisco ACI is a complete software-defined networking (SDN) solution. It provides a single, policy-based system to manage data centers. Cisco ACI's architecture relies on application profiles, endpoint groups, EPGs, and contracts. It defines the communication policies between different network segments. Implementing micro-segmentation with Cisco ACI. Implementing micro-segmentation with Cisco ACI involves several steps. The tasks are to design the segmentation strategy, set the ACI policies, and verify the work. This subtopic will provide a detailed, step-by-step guide. First, define the security requirements. Then, identify the workloads to isolate. Next, we create the appropriate EPGs. We define contracts to control communication between these groups. It will also cover configuring filters and ACLs to enforce micro-segment security policies. It will also guide testing the segmentation. This will ensure that it meets the security goals. Challenges and solutions in micro-segmentation implementation. Implementing micro-segmentation is not without its challenges. Organizations may encounter issues related to complexity, performance, and scalability. This subtopic will discuss common challenges in implementing micro-segmentation. Conclusion. In conclusion, micro-segmentation is a big advance in network security. It lets organizations protect their assets from advanced cyber threats. Cisco ACI is a powerful and flexible platform for micro-segmentation. This video has provided a complete overview of implementing micro-segmentation using Cisco ACI. It covers the concept, its importance, and the steps for deployment. This guide outlines best practices and challenges. As cyber threats grow, dynamic network segmentation and security will be vital. With Cisco ACI, organizations can stay ahead. It secures and adapts their networks to the business's changing needs.